Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am here unboxing another new fridge, which is Samsung side by side double door fridge, 635-liter capacity, and I will be showing you the cool feature of this new product in the market, and how this will be helpful. And moreover, for this fridge you don't need any kind of plumbing, so you can get cool water and ice cube and crushed ice. So the three option without any kind of plumbing expenses. So let's see what do you find good in this fridge. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Welcome to my new fridge. I will be showing you the key features and what all benefits you will get from this fridge, and which is 635-liter capacity. The model number for this Samsung side-by-side double-door fridge is SRS673DMB, and it is currently for $2,000 at the Good Guy or other store in Australia. This is the energy rating 4.5 star out of 7, but Samsung is pretty good. The fridge comes with the 2-year warranty, and this is an energy consumption 469 kilowatt per year. So, and moreover, the fridge is because many families don't have to spend the plumbing expenses for putting the plumbing pipe behind the fridge. So this fridge has a three option. So you can get ice water and cubed ice, and this is the crushed ice. So like if you want to go for any smoothie or anything or any yogurt drink, so you can use this crushed ice. And let me show you inside the fridge. This is a See, this is the fridge from inside. As you can see that it is very spacious, 635-liter capacity. This is the tray where you fill up the water up to 4.5-liter capacity, and that will be providing you cool water, and plus it will be provide you crush water outside, and plus the ice cube also. And that way you can get the water at any time with the ice cube facility, and ice cube will be stored here. You don't need a plumbing for this fridge. That is the good point. So this fridge has all around cooling feature, and this is the special tray where you can put up your wine bottles or the drink bottle, and there are a lot of gaps in between the trays, so you can put up any big utensils or any containers. And see this one here, you can see the easy water supply, you know how much water you need to put up. And the trays for the fruit also is very big. And here on the side tray, on the door sides, you can put up the small drink bottle or the milk cans you can put up. And this fridge has more fresh space inside and more seamless style outside, so which is using Space Max technology. And that way it will give you more interior features inside and more interior space. And it has a fast cooling and freezing facility, and you can put up any, let's say there is a party, you can put up any cold drink in the freezer section. It will be doing a fast freezing for that product. So this fridge has a ice on demand feature, so which is auto ice maker. So you will always have plenty of ice without wasting precious freezer space. Auto ice maker automatically makes and store ice, and its compact design freezes up storage space in the freezer. Moreover, this fridge has deodorizing filter, so which will keep your food fresh, and it will be like keeping all the bad smells out of the fridge. So that way this will be very helpful. I can show you some other feature. So this fridge has a digital inverter technology. So, and it comes with the 20 years limited part warranty to give you a peace of mind. Coming on the specification, the height is 1780 mm and width is 912 mm, and the depth with handle is 716 mm. So these are the technical features, and it comes with a 2 years warranty. I hope guys you enjoy my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more unboxing video, and if you have any question please leave it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. Thank you and see you in another video.